Hello everyone. Now we are going to start your science topic, biology. 5 number chapter, fundamental unit of life. It is very interesting chapter for you also and for me also. You know that life means animals, plants, microorganism, fungi, algae, bacteria, and above all viruses. So all these are life. What is the basic means fundamental unit? Basic unit of life is what? You can easily answer that the basic unit means life is made up of what? What is the funda of this? So basic unit or basic structure is called cell. Okay, the cell, the word is derived from the Latin word. It's a Latin language, or you can write it is a Latin word. It means little room. Cell means little room. The word is given by scientist Robert Hooke in 1665. Scientist Robert Hooke, very well known. So scientist Robert Hooke observed the cork cell. He observed cork cell. Cork is the name of the tree, and from the bark of the tree he made a slide. From the slice of the bark of the tree he made a small slide, and he observed this cork cell under primitive microscope. Primitive microscope, the interesting thing is what? This microscope is designed by Robert Hooke himself. Means it is self-designed primitive microscope. Though it is known as primitive because it is the oldest pattern and self-designed. So with the help of self-designed microscope, we call it primitive microscope. Robert Hooke saw the cork cell, and he noted down that cork cell is made up of many compartments like found in honeycomb. He found that the shape of the cork cell is just like the shape of the honeycomb. A small compartment he found. These boxes, he called these boxes as cell. You know, cell means small room, little room, small compartment. So the word derives cell from this. You know that all organism containing means animals, plants, microorganism, all living organism has cell. So you can say that cell is the basic or fundamental, functional and structural unit of all living organism. Structural and functional unit of all living organism is known as cell. It is called structural because the total structure of the body is formed by cells. It is called functional because the total metabolism of the body is done in this cell. How this happen? Why this happen? Who governs all this activity, all this metabolism inside the cell? What is called cell? Inside the cell, which organelles are present, how they works. We try to find all these answers in this question. But before that, we once again move towards our ancient times, means primitive times. That means who discovered all these things. The small section that we will learn. Okay, note down this.